Ooh, I did a wheelie. What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm gonna be door dashing on my Tuttio. Let's get right into it. All right, I'm gonna drive around a little bit until I get an order for my phone. So we're gonna head to this park, and hopefully by then we get an order. If you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe. It helps our channel out a lot. Hopefully we get a big order, because I'm not trying to go there for a few dollars. I want at least 10 from there, you know? Quick money though. E-scooter girl. Like a gapper. Looks like a mom, bro. Let me stop. I just figured out how to stop you on my Tuttio though. It ain't hard. Just hold the rear and front brake. Like, you just hold them tight and, you know, it'll stop you. I can stop you, but I can't wheel you. There's a difference. Alright. We're almost at the little park area. Ooh, don't crash. Alright. Is it safe to turn? Yes, sir. Stop. I don't see a car. I could go. Yo, look at this. Look at this. Hold up. Wait a minute. Mission real quick. Why are there so many e-scooters? What did I come into? Yo, wait, where are they? Nah, I know I just saw them. Where they at? Where they at, though? That's one. What are the others? Oh, that's them right there. Yo, we just got an order. Let's go get it. All right. The order said Talkies, punch. Ooh, I did a wheelie. It said like a small bag of Talkies, fruit punch, Gatorade, Zero Sugar, and a Rice Krispie treat. I sent them to the gas station for it. And it said it's gonna give me like $20 for it, so you know, $20 for it. So I sat there. Stoppy. I will say this, the gas station is a good distance, but we'll get there pretty quick. This video is actually fast. Why is the motor so loud? I'm about to get race baited, bro. I hear. Let me talk. I can make that easy. Now I gotta get back on the sidewalk. Wait for that car to stop. Oh yeah. First order of the day. Hopefully it's, you know, quick and easy. And hopefully it's the last order, so I only need a couple dollars. If you haven't already, make sure you join the Discord and comment, so you can get notified when the next video is out. No, I'm not taking that turn. Is the card? Yeah, I still got my card. Oh yeah. 31. 35. Oh, there's a turn coming up. I got that. That was good. Right? Oh, I got some air on that. Alright. After that bridge, we just gotta keep going straight. Then we'll get to our gas station. Bro, I normally go here for snacks for myself, bro. The gas station's like, bro, that's everything you would ever want. To be honest. You know, oh my God. I might go to that park after I get their food. They're a little fun. Oh yeah, we're almost there. I see it in the distance. Yo, I had a thing. There's like a dirt bike person over here. And he tried racing or something. I don't know. You line up next to me and just started going. But I couldn't keep up because my Tuttio wasn't fully charged. And I was confused, like, what is that noise behind me? But it was just a dirt bike. Alright. No cars. Yeah, we good? I can't pop it up while driving. Like after power wheeling. Alright, we're almost at the gas. Who's that? Yo, hopefully this gas station isn't packed. But yeah, it's a fruit punch, zero sugar Gatorade, a small bag of Takis, and a Rice Krispie treat. I shouldn't be too hard. And bro, why is it so packed? Dwarven, no corner. Whoa. Oh shoot. I'm gonna park it outside. Hopefully it doesn't get stolen. It's so packed right now. Alright. I need a Rice Krispie treat. Here. Rice Krispie. Alright. Those red boxes. Zero sugar. It's fine. Can I get a bag? Thank you.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
Really?
Thank you. Oh, I looped it. We know. We got food? Can I? This is another. Alright, perfect. Now we can go to our destination. Bro, that bag might get in the way of my knee a little bit, but that's fine. I've got it! Hold up. I don't wanna, I'll just go up more. Where'd I put the card? Hold on, let me put the card up real quick. Alright, now that we got food, we gotta go to our destination, which is one of these houses in this neighborhood, I hope. You know, quick little gas station trip. Oh, I just ran into a wasp. Oh shoot. I did not mean to drive on that curb. Hopefully this is a quick and easy drive. You know, I'm just trying to make it in and out, in and out. Bro, that gas station is so nice. No wonder why I was packed with people. You know, it's all good. Well, why is there a school bus on a weekend? Loser! Oh, there's no one in it. That's a short bus. Yo. Is this the right? I think this is the right way to their house. And I know this neighborhood good. And I looked at their address and I should know the way there. Hopefully I can do it quick. Good. And make sure you watch the next video. I'm gonna be detailing my e-bike. Because, bro, it's dirty. It's super dirty. And that's a big problem. But I need goggles. The sun's glaring in my eye. Annoying. Alright. Is my kickstand up? Nah. No. I don't know why. Can I stop here real quick? Ah, barely. I slowed down too much. Bro, door dashing is easy, to be honest. Free money. After school, just door dashing, bro. Free money. I'm 3 bars. I'm on 3 bars. That's bad. That's super bad. I guess I'm not doing another order after this. Because I don't know how long, or not long, how far away it is. But if I was on 4 bars still, I would do another order. I just don't want to have to walk my bike home. Oh shoot, oh, I wasn't paying attention. And I almost just rode into that lake. Do not enter if water is present. What does that mean? Bro, that can fly.
The GoPro auto turned off. I delivered the food. Thanks for watching. Bye.